In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the print heads in your Canon PIXMA G6000 series printer. Now the first thing is to switch on the printer, so press the power button. Now lift this section from here and it will hold itself. Now this is the ink chamber and you will just move this section here. So that is here, place it in a proper location between these marks. Now the next is to open this, so press the lock button here. You will see there is a blue cap. Press this section like this and lift it up, and now you can lift it up again. Below our color and black color, so below is the color and black ink. So here are two print heads. To take it up, so just push it up like this. Now you have to lift it little bit and then push it outside. It comes out. So it's just like push it outside with a little force and take it out. To install, place color on this side. So just place it here and push it in. It will install itself like this. Now close this section, press it down. You hear a lock sound, and also lock the print heads. Now press this section down and it will close itself. So this way we can install the print heads. Thanks for watching.